Now I will say this about V.I.X.X. I caught you lip syncing. I caught you lip syncing. In fact, you caught yourself lip syncing. During Superhero, I saw where Ravi, he was going on in the mic and it looked like he was singing, and then the vocals dropped out of the backtrack and all he could do was... So I caught you. But it's okay. It's okay because during the panel, when we were at the panel, you guys actually sung on the mic. And y'all sound great. And you still got my money, because I definitely bought the superhero sings for great. And you were very nice and polite. And you hugged every fangirl. I know that's probably stressful at times. You just hug every fangirl. Every time you think a question's going to be asked, you think it's going to be something like, oh, where's your group going in the future? Oh, when does your next single come out? Do you like crap? But instead it's, can I get a hug? Hug me. Can I have a hug? I want a...
Boy, give me that ass.
It was great. It was great. I threw my panties on the stage. I tell you that shit. My panties went right up on the stage. And so the fuck what I wear panties? But Frey, you didn't get any live footage from them at the concert. Bitch, I tried to get photos at the live concert, but there were a couple of things that stopped me. One, there were too many fangirls. I couldn't get close enough. Two, there were so many bright lights going on that when I did take pictures of them, they looked like white entities. In fact, let me show you a couple of the pictures that I got. But great job, guys. Hope you come back to the US and do more concerts.